My name is Irina Chulkova. My business is called Chance Battery Rebuild. We rebuild batteries for laptops and power tools. I started this business 11 years ago in St. Petersburg, Russia, where I am from. After moving to Canada in the fall of 2014, I started this business here in London with a high quality cells that provides longer life for your battery. At the same time, you don't throw the plastic case, the electronics that is inside the battery. You keep the landfill out of the electronic and plastic waste. That is greatly beneficial for our environment. The business isn't only home-based, it's a family-run